Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm about to show you guys how I achieved this gorgeous, voluminous, bouncy, juicy, ready to wear unit. Not to mention it's a 100% glueless and beginner friendly. Our girl, okay? So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this gorgeous unit in less than 45 minutes, make sure you keep on watching. And also, did I mention that this was 100% glueless? Yeah, I just had to throw that out there again. But this wig is so beautiful and I cannot wait to show you guys all the details. So make sure you stay tuned. Now on to these details. Thank you so much UNice for sponsoring this video. Of course, they stacked us with all the things we need for our unit, including this pick, our wig of course, a nice satin storage bag, our edge brush, 2 HD wig caps, and an elastic band for our edges. Now onto this unit, I will be showing you guys their 24-inch glueless curly unit, and as you guys can see, these ends are already pre-coiled, finger defined, and I am literally so excited to see how this looks on. They were so pretty and fluffy, and this wig was just so juicy straight out of the bag. If you know me, you know when it comes to my hair, I am super low maintenance and I don't want to do anything, especially with lace. So this wig was already pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do anything before just plopping her on my head. So for my beginners, or if you're like me, she's perfect for you. And one of my other favorite features of this unit was this deep parting space, so you can have a versatility with a side part or a middle part with this 7x5 closure. Oh, hi guys, if you're new here, my name's Chrissy and my hair is rich auburn. So if I want to dye my hair black, I have to wear a wig because I'm not dyeing my hair back. But thanks to UNice and this ready to wear wig, all I need is 8 cornrows and I can have black hair in 30 minutes. So let's get into this tutorial. So the only thing I'm using for my lace to blend is my Juvia's Palette bronzer, and I'm just gonna apply that to my lace and my HC wig cap. And y'all, this is how the wig looked with me just putting it on my head. This is with no product, this is with no layers, and y'all know I love to cut me a good mean layer in my hair, but I was honestly contemplating on if I even needed to define these curls because it looked so good. And I also wanted y'all to get a closer look at how good this lace looks with literally just an elastic band adhering it to my head. Now this is when I realized I am actually gonna go ahead and redefine these curls, because as you guys can see, the bottom is not as defined as the pre-coiled ones at the top. So now I'm just gonna go ahead with my water bottle, my foaming mousse, and my dimming brush. Y'all know, if y'all watch my channel, my infamous dimming brush, I do not style any curly hair without that brush. So I will have all of that information linked in the description box below. But as you guys can see, I'm just going ahead and finger coiling those curls after putting that product throughout my curls, and I'm just going to repeat that throughout my head in sections, and then towards the top literally do the same thing and recoil those curls that were already pre-coiled for us. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I was breezing through this unit, and I'm 100% sure it's because of the density of this unit. Now this unit was only 150% density, and that is a very, very light density. At minimum, I'm choosing 180% density for any unit at minimum. But I was like, I'm finishing this unit a little faster than I usually do, considering it was also 24 inches. So when I saw it was 150%, I was like, that makes all the difference, because that's a very light and fluffy just type of unit, and these curls were super easy to detangle. Nothing's wrong with it being 150% density, but I'm used to more thicker units, especially being curly and at this length, but it still looked amazing. It was super lightweight on my head, so if you don't like super thick and heavy units on your head, this would be absolutely perfect for you as well. But yeah, super repetitive. This is my favorite thing about curly hair, is that you're literally just doing the bare minimum. I'm just spraying water on it, putting my foaming lotion in each section, combing it through with my dimming brush, and then finger coiling it. Like, how easy and low maintenance is that? It's just my dream, honestly. But I'm just gonna finish this side, do the exact same thing to the other side, and then we're gonna get into diffusing. So once I finish defining all of the curls, this is how it looks wet. And now I'm gonna go in with my diffuser and I'm gonna get these curls to at least 85 to 90% dry. I'm not gonna completely dry this hair, but I know it will air dry throughout the day, so that was no problem. But once I finish diffusing my hair for about 10 minutes, this is how my hair looked. It was a little damp in the inside, but that's okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick out my curls with the little pick that they gave us in our package. Shout out to them. And I'm gonna just pick it out. I don't want them to be so defined, so by it being a little wet, it is going to dry a little frizzy. So this is how the hair looked once I picked it out to my liking, and this is how the hair looked a few hours later. And it was so big, so fluffy, and so juicy, y'all. Do y'all see these curls? I am completely in love with this look. Honestly, this had me contemplating on dyeing my hair back black, but y'all see that this is 100% glueless. I literally lifted this up and it has nothing adhering to my head to have this wig sitting on my head like this. It was so flawless and it literally melted into my skin. And by this unit being 7x5, I'm able to flip it over, and I'm also able to do a side part if I please, but I'm gonna keep it with the middle part because it looks so good. This looks so natural, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial just as much as I did because this looks bomb. And if you're interested in any products that I mentioned in this video, make sure you check out the description box below. And of course, if you're interested in this exact unit or anything on UNice's site, make sure you check out all of the links I will have available for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.